Quality travels across the world. Service creates the future. Today, 2025 SBM after-sales service tour of grinding mills sets off grandly. We are not merely dedicated to intelligent manufacturing. We are more committed to witnessing and safeguarding. Footsteps measure the mountains and rivers, and services reach deep into the front lines. A professional team will be set up to carry out comprehensive inspections focusing on equipment usage, production line operation, after-sales service, and parts demand. Aimed at addressing customers' pain points, the service measures will accurately meet their needs. This is not just a return visit, but also a journey of quality traceability and commitment fulfillment. We will bridge the last mile with customers and build trust through professionalism. SBM, crafting the future with exquisite craftsmanship. Let's extraordinary quality go steady and far, spreading all over the world.